Hello and welcome to my channel Yoga with May. I hope that you are having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk about stepping forward, having the courage to reach out and ask for help. I know that it is not an easy place to be. If you're feeling like you cannot speak, you don't have a voice, you aren't heard, please remember that there is always a space, there's always people that are open-hearted, conscious, loving, and that are there to support you. And I have a community that is all about helping people through life transitions, overcoming and navigating the different turmoil that they may be experiencing. So if you're feeling like you are stuck, you're swirling around, constantly thinking, overthinking, overanalyzing, and getting nowhere, and you're ashamed or you're in guilt about sharing what you're going through. And once you realize that you're not alone on your journey, there are so many other people that have gone through these difficult times, these difficult emotions, and just stepping forward and asking for help is the bravest thing that you can do. Coming to a point where you need some assistance, need some support, you need motivation, you want to continue, and this is this courage break point where once you just reach out, once you ask for help, things become so much easier, and you realize, why did you keep all of this pain? Why did you keep all of this hurt all to yourself? And you kind of like just blossom like a flower. You surrender. You let go of holding on to a persona or a situation, and you allow that situation to be released from you. And you surrender into this new unknown territory. You're not sure what's going to happen. And the fear of what is going to happen is greater, and it takes over. So once you let go that fear, you realize that the fear sometimes is unrealistic, or you've overcompensated on how big this fear point is going to be. And what happens is the support system comes in and empowers you, and you feel a wave of love and support, and this uplifts you, and it helps you to feel more positive in your mind. It helps you to feel optimistic about the future. It makes you realize that you're not alone, and this is a very important part, that we all think this loneliness creeps up on us and we're so lonely, and actually there's so much support in your environment. Even if you feel like there's no one you can tell, you could never share this with anybody, I totally understand, and I've been through difficult life transitions over and over again, and coming to a point, that very, very first point of mine, where I had to now step forward and share what I'm really going through, was so difficult. But once I did it, my whole life changed, and I went from strength to strength to strength. A tiny bit of support makes the biggest difference. So I encourage you to take that step forward. If you're going through a difficult time, it doesn't matter how big or small your transition is. The fact that having support, having a community, having just, even if it's one person, one cheerleader cheering you on, makes the biggest difference in your life. So God bless you, and I hope that you will take that step of courage and faith. Have faith that you are blessed, that your life is in your hands, and that you can control your path. Take a look down below. I have a link to my school community, where I am teaching people every day how to navigate these life transitions, how to come out of the old way of being and break free. Set yourself on a new path and come back home to yourself, because honestly, these life transitions can completely change who you are. And it's about finding your way back to yourself, back to your authentic, empowered self, and also becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you for listening, and I wish you a gorgeous day.